Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, once again, I want to invite you on this podcast. Okay, you're going to feel motivated, interested, pleased, and most importantly, you're going to feel very excited. After this podcast, your mindset about many things are going to change. For this, you need to watch the complete podcast. Right. The purpose of making this podcast is to improve English and is to improve our communication skills, and it's to make you understand about the importance of our mindset and many things. So my guest, as you know, I don't have any celebrity to call. I keep repeating this statement, so I manage this thing with my student. And today I have Miss Sania Abdullah with me. Hi Sania, how are you?
I'm perfectly fine, sir. What about you?
I'm always fine actually, because why to cry actually, right?
Yes,
There
sir.
is nothing is going to happen if you cry. Okay,
Of
it's
course.
better to smile, right? Okay, so I'm fine actually. There's no problem. Okay, everything is going well. So you tell me, how are you? What is going on?
Nothing special as a routine, daily routine, and I'm perfectly fine. I also said,
Okay, so you are sitting on the hot seat today, or for the first time in front of camera,
camera.
and that too one to one, right? What do you feel now? Tell me.
Firstly, I'm very nervous, and second, I'm very excited.
Okay.
Not, I wanna say I am nervous, but I'm very excited.
Okay, means your nervousness is less than your excitement.
Yes, sir.
That's why you are very excited to talk today on any multiple topics and all. So first, actually, I always talk about this thing because this message has to be for everyone, because people understand English is very tough in our city.
English is not tough, sir.
Yeah.
We think a lot only.
Okay. We talk about environment sometimes, and environment is not good. That's why we are not able to speak English. What do you think about it?
We think कि अपना काम चल रहा है तो बस चलने दो.
That's nice actually. So dear, actually problem ये है कि we feel our work is going on. That's, I mean, I don't need English, but understand English is not just for your work. It improves your personality, okay, and it gives you confidence, okay. And if you want to travel to any other country in the world, that time you will feel the importance of English. So it is important actually, and it is very sad, okay, at the moment, okay, when something big happens, that time you cannot learn it because you need to be future ready. That's why learn English, right now.
Yes,
Okay, so it's easy, you mean to say.
of course.
How did it become easy for you? Because a student from, yes, I want to force on this actually, a student from madrasa board, okay, is speaking English. It's not easy. How did you make it easy for you?
So practice is very important for everything, and I'm not madrasa student, but I'm a school student. But still, I'm very aware from Islam, and I'm not very aware, but I know something which is very important for ourselves, and it is very important to learn English. You know, we think English is not important. We think this is not important, that is not important,
Yes.
because we are very lazy. And sometimes laziness is very important, because lazy person is very like a कुछ लेजी पर्सन ही होते हैं जो इन्वेंट करते हैं. आई थिंक ऐसा लगता है मेरे को कि जब आप कुछ काम नहीं करना चाहते तो उसको जल्दी में करने के लिए कुछ करना होता है.
That's nice. By the way, as you said that कि काम चल रहा है तो चलने देते हैं, इस वजह से हम स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, राइट? पर जब एक्साइट किया, आपके साथ भी तो हुआ ही होगा ना, when you started doing it, तो your excitement level would have increased, okay? All right. So now today you're very excited, okay, to talk in English, okay? So what type of feeling you grab while talking in English?
Because sir, I am Bihari. That's why I feel very brave to speak English and to talk in English. And
Why?
because we don't have any environment to talk in English. We don't have any environment to talk, and we don't talk actually. We don't communicate.
So you said one thing, that's I am Bihari, right? So actually, it has to be spoken with proud. Everyone has to speak that we are Bihari and we are not less than anyone.
Yeah, of course.
And this video is going to prove it
And
actually.
even I heard before some times ago, Begusara is very famous for Bhojpuri. And you know, I don't know Bhojpuri any single word.
That's sad. That's sad actually.
That's not sad because I know my language, which is very important. Which language I can speak, I can talk with everyone.
That's English actually. Though, so actually, we should not underestimate a Bihari that he cannot speak English. Okay, and on my channel you can watch many videos. Okay, and almost no, everyone is from Bihar. Okay, and that's from Begusarai, and they speak English so beautifully actually, right? So it's very sad to underestimate a state because of language. Okay, and if we start doing it, okay, if we take it seriously, everyone can do very well. यार जो आदमी मैथमेटिक्स साइंस को गर्दन से पकड़ के उसको नोक डाउन कर सकता है, तो वो एक लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कैसे नहीं इम्प्रूव कर सकता है, कैसे नहीं बोल सकता है। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टार्ट करने की देर है। स्टार्ट टुडे, यू विल लर्न इंग्लिश। ओके, ऑलराइट, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से ऑन दिस एक्चुअली
About English.
अबाउट बिहारी, अबाउट वी पीपल? यस, अपने बारे में हम क्या कहना चाहें?
We are also people. We are also human beings. We have also feelings and lot of things like other people, other countries people.
Right. So now language is in our control. What do you think?
Yeah, this is in our control. We can learn everything.
And we should learn everything, by the way.
Yeah.
What do you think about our mindset actually? I'm not about mindset actually. This is the mindset of the local, everyone here. They feel like it's not important, okay? And we should just focus on science and other subjects, okay? But they feel language is not important. But the language, which is the connecting language of the world, okay, is it really not important?
So it is very important because in this time everything is written by English. Without English, even we can't use our mobile phone.
Right, right. So now I want to just divert the talk actually, uh, and I want to understand. Actually, the people want to understand. You, lady who is wearing nakab, okay, is speaking English. What do you think?
It's very rare, not rare. It's a very beautiful thing who is like wearing niqab and speaking in English and talk to other people like fluently without any hesitation. It's very beautiful things.
So you are setting an example. What do you think? You're setting an example for everyone.
Yeah, of course. Who thinks that Niqabi can't do anything, Niqabi can't do this, Niqabi can't do that. I can do everything. I am a human being, and this is only a cloth.
Right. I mean, a cloth is not the barrier on our mindset and thoughts. You
And
mean
this
to?
is not barrier, sir. This is our crown, I can say.
This is our crown.
Yeah,
Can you repeat it?
this is our crown.
This is our crown, actually, right?
This is
And
not my. This is not my barrier. This is not my.
obstructions,
Yeah,
okay?
of course. This is my choice.
Right, right. So people speak about it sometimes. Ki we are. I mean, people force us to wear this cloth. Actually, people talk about it. Okay, those who have shrink mindset. Okay,
Islam is not a force.
Islam is not a force. You meant to say
If you
that.
want to do something, you can do. If you don't want, you can't.
That's nice. That's great. That's very great, actually. So we should not, okay, discriminate anyone on the basis of their cloth, religion, caste, color, and sex, right? So but people do it actually. Sometimes we have negative comments in the comment box, okay, but we have every type of students, okay, from every communities, we have from every corner we have these students, and from every community people love SMB English actually, right? And you know that you have a lot of friends, okay, from SMB English who belongs to other communities, right? And they are very conjoined actually, they are very connected, they
So
yeah.
here assembly is very good for everyone, and we can connect each other with very easy way. But in other classes in schools, there was a lot of friends of non-Muslim, and they are very connected with me. and they feel like Sanya is equal like me.
Right, right. So it's about mindset. It's not about clothes. We should not. We should understand this thing. Ki, she has a great mindset. That's why she is speaking. You have a great mindset. That's why you're speaking. Right. All right. So how does our mindset act? Because first, can you share that story when Sneha come to your class? Okay, and she was just second lady. Okay, from and she sat with you. She was not very comfortable in the class, but you made her comfortable holding her hand. Okay, what was that scene actually? I want to understand.
I don't know about that. He was hesitating, but when I sit with her, she's like a very cool and calm lady, and I feel very happy. Even when I came here in the morning, I was thinking that Sneha kahan hai?
Okay, you was just thinking about Sneha, right? Okay,
Yeah.
and she's a nice lady. Okay, she always talks about you, right? Okay, and she loves the environment of this class actually, right? Okay, तो हम उसे back जाना चाहेंगे कि it's about girls' education actually. It's I talked about that. Okay, now I want to talk about it's girls' education, women education. How can educated women affect and change the society?
You know, sir, our first teacher and first environment is our home and our mother, and she is a lady. When we educate a lady, she can take care of your I mean
Her children.
her children.
Right. When you educate a lady, okay, she can handle the family, children, society, even jobs, business, everything well.
Not for business or job. You know, when a lady is educated and when one lady is educated and one lady is not educated, I can see the difference. One is very cool and calm who is educated, and if she is not cool and calm, she can handle the problems, she can understand the situation. Even she will think about that. If they're shouting on that moment, but they will think after that. And when we think about non-educated lady, they are like बस वो चिल्लाती रहेंगी और बाद में बस थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहेंगी और बाद में फिर भी चिल्लाएंगी.
Actually, mindset matters actually when you are educated, you welcome new things, right? And when you are not educated, you don't welcome new things actually. Education gives openness, right? Education gives openness. We open our mind and we understand the people, and we sort out the problems, or figure out any issues very easily. Okay, and we know how to talk actually, and I mean communication and talk is the best skill to live our life, I think.
So communication is very important, and sometimes anger issue is very dangerous. And I have communication, so I can talk with everyone.
Means you want to replace your anger with communication,
Yes.
ऐसा कुछ.
I have a lot of anger issue when I talk in English. I talk in English, not when I talk in home. When I talk with someone, when I want to talk with them, उनका एक भी थोड़ा सा भी मतलब मेरे खिलाफ जा रहा होता है ना, मेरा माइंड घूम जाता है. फिर चिल्लाना, मतलब चिल्लाते नहीं, बस उनको जवाब में कड़वा देते हैं. वो चीज नहीं करना चाहते.
तो मैं ये तो पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या एंगर को कम्युनिकेशन से रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है?
I answered this. I mean, we can replace anger issues with communication skills, because communication is very important. We think communication is not important because we don't know.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वी कैन रिप्लेस आवर एंगर विद कम्युनिकेशन.
Of course.
क्योंकि जब हम किसी चीज का रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाते हैं तो अपने आप को साबित करने के लिए गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. बट इफ वी आर एबल टू कम्युनिकेट वेल, if we are able to make other people understand about the facts of the matter,
So we
तो
have communication. We should have communication skills. We should have great mindset, and we should have patience.
patience as
This
well.
thing can make a human being, a complete human being.
Three things are important. What is that? Communication, mindset, and
Patience.
patience. Three things are very important to control our anger. You mean to say that?
We don't have patience. Firstly, we don't have patience. We can't understand the thing, and we'll react.
This is the problem of all the rift in the family, right? ये बहुत बड़ी बात है एक्चुअली. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इट कि टॉक, we don't talk actually, we don't know how to talk. Okay, we don't know how to keep our points.
If
Okay,
you don't know how to talk, you can stop. You can yourself stop. And if you don't stop yourself, you can at this time patience helps you.
as we know that words are more dangerous than a dagger and weapon. Okay, a word can be penetrated into your heart, okay, and destroy your feelings, right? The words must be used in a better manner, right? And words should be adequate and perfect, okay. We cannot mishandle the words. It is said very beautifully कि words जो मुंह से निकल गया वो बंदूक के निकले हुए गोली की तरह है, कि once it is shot it cannot be returned. इसको वापिस नहीं किया जा सकता. So use your words with great care.
Of course.
I mean, to use your words with great, handle your words with great care, right?
We say that कि मेरा मुंह है मेरी मर्जी बोलेंगे, but we should understand मेरी मर्जी तो है, मेरा मुंह भी है, but आप इंसान हो ना.
Nice, that's nice. Okay, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेटमेंट इन्होंने दिया कि यू आर ए ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ें दी गई हैं, ओके, इफ़ यू आर गिफ्टेड समथिंग, तो उसके साथ कुछ कुछ बंधन भी दिया गया है, कुछ डिसिप्लिन भी है. डिसिप्लिन को आप गुलामी का नाम ना दें, डिसिप्लिन भी कुछ है कि यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि योर वर्ड्स शुड नॉट hurt anyone, right? So no, it is, that's why I said this is a skill. Okay, so everybody should know three things: mindset, communication skills and patience. अगर ये चीज समझ गए, I think 50%, not 100%, 90%, 100%, 90% problems will be eradicated.
Words is very important, sir. No one will notice your heart. What is inside it? What is inside? But your words affect everyone.
Oh wow, nobody understands your hurts, right? Nobody
As I
understands your
said-
feelings.
As I said, I'm not. I'm very angry person.
Angry, yeah.
Angry person. But I'm not bad. I feel everyone should like हर कोई अच्छे से रहे. मेरे दिल में किसी के लिए बुराई नहीं होती. But my word is like that कि तुम मर जाओ.
Yes, very great thing actually. Words से आपको define किया जा रहा है कि your words define you, mean to say that. Okay, what you speak actually from inside, you're not like that, but people understand with your words. They understand like, you know, these girls are not good, they are not manners, they have no manners, they're from good family as well.
Yes, sir.
आप अच्छी तरह से बात नहीं करो, लोग सीधा बोलेंगे तो बाप माँ का तरबियत का गलती है, ऐसे लोग बोल देता है. तो लोग बट एक्चुअली कितनी दिक्कत की बात है, लोग इसको वैल्यू नहीं कर रहे हैं. लेकिन इट्स वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक.
It's our mindset. I can say it's education. We don't have education to think like that. When we have education, we can talk. When we have education, we have like a mindset.
Right.
And education is not only for math, science, SST, English, Hindi like that.
Yes, manners is also.
Manners is also important.
Right.
We can't-
The statement was going like, you know, that
and
knowledge
we
and
don't have any schools and colleges and other classes. But that's why I speak like that. कि assembly is very different because we learn here a lot of things. We learn here how to live. We learn here how to count.
right,
We learn here
right.
how to handle everything.
Right. So that's what the statement was going like, you know, knowledge. People are dying for knowledge and talent.
Knowledge and talent, but
Talent is-
behavior is very important.
Right. Talent is overly rated. Behavior is greater than behavior is always greater than knowledge. Okay, because in life there are many situations where your knowledge fails, but
Of
behavior
course,
handles
sir.
everything. This is very nice actually, very great and spectacular statement you're posing on actually. So we are trying to make you understand about how to make our life, you know, peaceful actually. नहीं, let's pray for serenity actually, right? शांति के लिए प्रे करते हैं यार, but we are not working on that. How will you get peace if you don't work on this?
I think for myself, I have patience. I should have patience, and some anger issue should be go.
We need to, you need to abolish your anger
I
issue.
wanna stop sometime.
Hmm.
I wanna stop, but when I listen something hard, when I listen something
Harsh.
harsh, I can't stop myself and I react that time.
React.
But even सामने वाले की गलती हो ना हो, अगर मेरे से कुछ गलत होता है उसको उसको बुरा लगता है, I feel very after some
After that, you will be
वो
proved
फिर
wrong.
सोने नहीं देता है.
Right. It means you think after making mistakes. एक बार गुस्से में गलती हो गया and after that you think कि यार what is this, I did a mistake, okay, I hurt that person, okay, and it was not his mistake, it was my mistake, I couldn't
Even if their
understand,
mistake,
but
also
still
I
you
think,
feel bad.
I think even वो person अगर भूल भी जाए कि कुछ हुआ भी था, मेरे को याद रहता है कि
So
क्या
देखो,
हो गया
this is the great human tendency actually, कि when you don't make mistakes and you hurt someone because of his mistake or her mistake, still that mistake hurts you, and that mistake doesn't let you sleep. So why to make the mistake that hurts me?
Even sometimes, I can talk easily with you. Sometimes I feel sir, बुरा लग गया क्या सर, आप गुस्सा है क्या?
हाँ, you ask this way actually.
Because I can't sit there. I always think that आज क्या हो गया सर, आज डांट अच्छा होता, डांट ही लेते सही रहता. Even I always say when I came class, I feel एक कोटा तो बुरा होना चाहिए डांटने का.
Okay, that's why you sometimes make, class humorous, right? And you poke me in the class sometimes, okay?
Because कि सर डांट ले वो ज्यादा सही है, अब इवन भी मार लीजिए कि वो सही है, but when I feel कि I did some mistake, I did that mistake, even you can't notice that, but also I
You
think
notice that.
that I also think
All
मेरे
right.
से ये गलती हो गई है.
Right, right. That's right. Now you feel your mindset is changed.
Yeah, I think
You have changed mindset right now.
yeah, I can speak, and before some time I can't speak. I feel a lot. I feel deep, but I can't talk. I can't.
No, no, you can talk now. Don't say that actually. Now you can talk, okay? People are looking at you. People are, our viewers, okay? Is she able to talk? Please write some comments in the comment box, okay? She has still the confusion. Okay, so tell me, are you able to talk now?
Maybe I have.
No, yeah, don't say that. You're able to talk actually, right? Okay.
I want to improve myself more, and I want to best.
Obviously, actually, learning does not stop actually. Life doesn't end, okay? You need to learn till the last moment, okay? Till the last breath, right? And learning gives us satisfaction actually.
Yeah.
All right.
Trick student.
That's very important to understand actually. We talk about papers, okay? Just understand about it. Am I able to fulfill my job? Am I able to work, do well? If, understand about it, I worked on a top position actually. I was the manager in ABFRL, Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited, and that is the proof that I am well educated. All right, but education doesn't matter there as well. In any
Education
job,
matters when your degree matters.
degree doesn't
when-
matter. I'm telling you.
Degree matter, but when you want to do something, when you want to do job, but no one can't believe you are not educated. You are 10th student, you are 10th. Well, that doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, right? Yeah.
If you have good humor, even so no one can believe that I am a 10th student, and I am only 10th student. Even मेरे 10th में कम marks आए, ज़्यादा marks आए, इससे किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
But now today you don't look like a 10th student because this
No
is
one
what,
believes, sir. No one believes.
that's what I wanted to try to become an example. Okay, people want success actually. Become an example.
लास्ट टाइम इवन जब बात के लास्ट टाइम में जब पूछते कि आप कहाँ तक पढ़े, आई सेड दैट आई एम ओनली 10th स्टूडेंट. 10th स्टूडेंट, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग लाइक 10th स्टूडेंट, यू आर लाइक ग्रेजुएशन पास होंगे आप. आई थिंक ग्रेजुएशन तो सपना ही है.
No, actually, education matters, right? Okay, degree matters, and your talent, knowledge matters.
Also,
But what do you do? Right now, I teach actually. I'm very big educators, okay, and I know I have a lot of degrees and all. But if I am not able to do my job well, If I am not able to give my best, okay, if I am not able to satisfy my student, that degree is useless actually. All right, so you need to justify both things actually. You need to be educated and you must justify your education.
We
And
live in one world, sir, and we don't have a second world to do something, second world to do the next world to do something. We live in one world, and we have to do we have to do everything in this earth.
But there are a lot of
Everything is
people in this
important.
world, okay, who are well educated, they're PhD holder, okay, they're PG, they're graduates, but they are not even able to write one application in English, okay, they are not able to write one application in Hindi as well. So
Sometimes
what's the
it's
use of that
education.
education actually?
It's
And they're in jobs also, they are doing jobs, right? So it's not about education. सक्सेस के लिए कोई एजुकेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. सक्सेस के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है आपका उसके प्रति दीवानापन बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपका उसके प्रति क्रेजी होना ज़रूरी है, आपको पेशेंस करना ज़रूरी है अपने काम के प्रति. यू नीड टू बी वेरी डेडिकेटेड, ओके, and you need to work oriented people. A lot of things are important, not only education. Everything, education is also important, but everything is important. Understand? What else? What do you want to know more about me?
education is very important because I also think and I always think education is very important, knowledge is very important, and awareness is very important.
Awareness is very important. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. What else you want to understand?
And sometimes we know a lot of things, but we can't understand anything.
This is a nice statement. We know, but we don't understand.
Yeah.
Right.
We have to understand. We have to control. We have to control. And
Right.
we sometimes we can't. We know some. I know. I can handle. I know I can do. But I can't control myself. I can't control the situations. This matters.
This matters, right? Okay. मतलब ये हुआ कि एजुकेशन प्लस नॉलेज होना चाहिए, तब जाकर के आप सक्सेस तो मिल ही जाता है, राइट? बिना एजुकेशन के भी लोग सफल हो रहे हैं, एजुकेशन के साथ भी सफल हो रहे हैं, लेकिन उससे सिर्फ आपका बेनिफिट हो रहा है. पर अगर आप दूसरों का ही बेनिफिट करना चाहें तो नॉलेज मीन्स एजुकेशन प्लस your knowledge, your understanding and everything is important, right? Okay. Anyways, so let's understand about something more. Sometimes what happens, you don't know about what is going against you. आपके खिलाफ क्या चल रहा है आपको नहीं पता रहता है, और आपके फेवर में क्या चल रहा है वो भी पता नहीं रहता आपको, राइट? तो उस कंडीशन में हमें जानने की कोशिश करना चाहिए कि क्या मेरे खिलाफ है, क्या मेरे फेवर में, या हमें अपने काम में लगे रहने चाहिए. What do you think?
Actually, sir, I don't care about anyone who is with me, who is not with me, who are against with me.
You are
I
against
don't
me,
care.
right?
And even before sometimes I used to speak I don't care, but I care.
Yes.
But that time I cared. Now I don't care who is speaking bad about me, who is speaking good about me. I don't care. But I wanna know who is with me. I wanna know the truth. I wanna know everything. But I can't believe that कि वो ऐसा कर सकता है, वो ऐसा कर सकता है. I can believe. This world is very harsh. This world is very like कोई भी कुछ भी कर सकता है. I can.
This world
I
is
can
very
believe.
dangerous actually.
अगर कोई मेरे बारे में बोल देता है, अगर कोई बोल देता है कि वो तुम्हारे बारे में ऐसा बोला, I can believe.
If somebody tells you that sir was talking now wrong about you, do you believe in that?
That time I can believe बोल सकते हैं अगर मैंने कुछ किया होगा.
Means मतलब sir is right.
Yeah.
वो बोल सकते हैं. I give the rights to
I
him.
know my parents is good. I know my teacher is good. That time I can say मैंने कुछ गलती किया होगा.
Oh, nice. It's a very good thing actually. When you want to, overcome your anxiety, so this type of things has to be there. If somebody talks wrong about you, just take this way. यार बोलने दे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. They are haters and they will criticize. That's their job. They're doing their job. दूसरा कि I might have made some mistakes. Okay, that's why he was talking wrong about
We
me.
should understand who is our own person and who is other. Even in your home, somebody is with you, somebody is not with you. that time you should understand who loves you and who doesn't loves you.
Who don't love you, right? That's nice. Yeah, by the way, it's very beautiful thing that you're talking about. We must understand who loves you, who don't love you, and पता चल भी जाए कि somebody hates me, okay, let
So
him
you
hate.
have to do like a I don't care wala face.
I don't care, and even I don't know actually. ऐसा भी कर सकता है, ठीक है, I don't know.
You know sir कि मेरे बारे में अगर कोई पर्सनली कुछ बोल रहा होता है तो मेरे को पता होता है कि बुरा बोल रहा है, लेकिन जब मेरे सामने बहुत स्वीट बनने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, मेरे को पता होता है चलो ठीक है, तो आई कांट कीप समटाइम्स के अगर मेरे से कोई सही आप मेरे से सही से बात करें ना, भले आप कल हमको वहाँ पे मार के आए हो, आपसे कल हम बहुत नफरत भी कर रहे हो, लेकिन अभी आप मेरे से सही से बात कर रहे हैं, आई विल डू विद माई हार्ट.
ओह, देखा है कितना बढ़िया क्वालिटी होना चाहिए लोगों में कि we carry the burden of our previous experience, okay, someone's wrong opinion about you, someone's hate about you, we carry on the shoulder. And you never know, he has changed, she has changed for you, and we carry the burden. And if he does something good for you, you don't care about it, and you don't believe in that, because what is there, what we think, what is there in our mind actually. पहले से जो हमारे माइंड में किसी के बारे में ओपिनियन रहता है, चाहे वो कितना ही बढ़िया कर ले, वो ओपिनियन की वजह से वी थिंक रॉन्ग अबाउट हिम. इट्स रियलिटी. तो वी शुड नॉट मेक एनी ओपिनियन अबाउट एनीवन. इफ
वो अगर गंदा चल भी रहा है ना आपके माइंड में, आप रोक नहीं सकते उस चीज को, चलने दीजिए ना,
चलने
क्या
दीजिए,
जाता है,
right.
उसका काम वो करेगा.
Right.
तो आपका काम क्या है, आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आपका बोल तो आपके कंट्रोल में है ना.
राइट, आई मीन यू नीड टू कंट्रोल योरसेल्फ, ओके. एंड यू कल अगर कोई आपके अगेंस्ट था तो आज आपका मतलब वेल विशर भी हो सकता है. इफ यू गिव राइट जेस्चर्स, if you give right experience, and if you talk well, if you behave well, so haters may be lovers, all right.
Maybe not sometimes.
You know, I'm saying maybe, I'm not talking a can be, I'm talking just maybe. Haters may be lovers, but if they hate, that is not your duty to stop them. If that is harming you, that is harming them as well, okay. That is harming.
This is not in our control. We can't control everyone's
Right.
mind, and we can't control everyone's language. We can't control
देखो,
everyone's tongue.
ये तो तय है कि अगर कोई नफरत करता है तो वो आपको कितना नुकसान पहुंचा रहा है वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है, राइट. अगर आप चाहो तो नहीं नुकसान पहुंचा, केयर ही नहीं करना, लेकिन ये तय है कि उसको नुकसान वो हेट पहुंचा रहा है, बिकॉज हेटर्स कैन नॉट बी पॉजिटिव. और एक वक्त होता है कि दे स्टार्ट हेटिंग द पीपल हु आर अराउंड देम.
I want to say my experience. Before sometimes when I was not mature, that much mature. When I listened someone speaking something about bad about me, मेरे को लड़ने का दिल कर जाता था, ऐसा लगता था सब गलत बात है. जब हम है नहीं तो बोला क्यों यार.
राइट.
बट उस टाइम पे गलती हो जाती थी. आई थिंक और ज्यादा गलती हो गया.
अरे गाय का बछड़ा कुछ थोड़े उसके मुंह पे वो लगा देंगे आप, मास्क होता था ना, इसी का नाम सुना है.
साबित कर दी कि हाँ सच में गलत है. But
Yeah.
I understand now. If somebody talk bad about me, I think कि रोक थोड़ी सकते हैं, करने दो ना, क्या जाता है. तो फिर I think उसको अब हम गलत साबित कर सकते हैं, हम किए ही नहीं ऐसा तो क्या जाता है.
राइट.
But sometimes when you don't do something bad, even some people talk bad about you, you will feel like क्यों बोल रहा है ऐसा, दर्द होता है अंदर में.
बट एक बात बताऊं कि अगर कोई आदमी आपके बारे में बात कर रहा है, if somebody is talking wrong about you, इसका मतलब तो तय है कि वो पहले आपसे प्यार करता था. इट हैपेंस. क्योंकि तुम्हारे बारे में अमेरिका का राष्ट्रपति तो बात करेगा नहीं, you understand? वही बात करेगा जो तुमको जानता है, राइट. और कोई पैदा होते ही आपसे गलत ओपिनियन नहीं बनाता कि पैदा होता है दिस गर्ल इज वेरी बैड, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू दिस गर्ल. ऐसा नहीं होता है. दे लर्न फ्रॉम द एक्सपीरियंस, ओके. दे लर्न फ्रॉम योर बिहेवियर, फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग, राइट, ओके. और बाद में वो ओपिनियन बनाता दिस गर्ल इज बैड, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू दिस लेडी. ऐसा तब होता है. इट हैपेंस और नॉट.
No, love is not important.
इट्स नॉट अबाउट लव.
That time love is not important. That time connection only.
Love and connection is fine. You're taking otherwise. Okay, don't take that way. I am just checking कि it means कि वो आपको जानता था, आपके बारे में समझता था, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ आपके से उसका रिश्ता है,
Yeah.
right? That's why they're talking. कोई बैड एक्सपीरियंस रहा है उसका, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर टॉकिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट यू। नहीं तो आपको जो नहीं जानता आपसे क्या मतलब है उसको,
Yeah, of
राइट?
course.
अंडरस्टैंड? तो देयर इज अ चांस टू मेंड इट, ठीक करने का चांस है। एंड वन मोर थिंग यार, इफ समबडी इज टॉकिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट यू, इसका मतलब you, if somebody talking good about you, it means you live in their heart, right? And if somebody talks wrong about you, you live in their mind.
Yeah, of course.
All right, it means in both the country that is in your favor, they waste their time for you.
Yeah, of course. And even sometimes your friend, sometimes your family member doesn't talk good about you.
What do you do?
That time they are right, because sometimes we don't. Every time we are not good. Every time we are not understand. We are human being. We can do mistake. And sometimes जब आप गलती करेंगे तो आपके फ्रेंड हो चाहे आपके माँ बाप हो, वो आपको मारेंगे, वो आपको डांटेंगे.
इसका मतलब ये
That
हुआ
time
कि
we
कई बार,
can't think that they are not good.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ सानिया कि हम कई बार समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ, और हम एक ओपिनियन बना लेते हैं। समथिंग हैपेंस विद अस एंड वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन। अभी मैं प्रीवियस क्लास में बात कर रहा था, दैट वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, ओके, दैट वाज अ स्टोरी एक्चुअली। देयर वाज अ क्रैब, क्रैब, यू अंडरस्टैंड? क्रैब, केकड़ा।
Yeah.
There was a crab and it was walking on the beach. Okay, and what happened? It was very happy seeing the footprint made on the
On the
surface
sand.
of sand. It was very happy. And it was like dancing. It was, oh, I'm today very nice. I'm looking so graceful. I'm looking so attractive, beautiful because of my footprint. It is so cute. Okay. It was very happy actually. What happened after some times, okay, the mighty sea, the wave of sea came onto the sand and removed the footprint, okay. The crab was very angry. It started cursing the sea. It started abusing the sea. How could you do this? What was my mistake? You're arrogant. You're destroying the beauty and the happiness of a small creature. You're showing your power. God is with me. One day you will be destroyed because of it. Okay, don't do with the tiny creature, with the helpless creature, with the weak creature like this. Don't use your power against a small creature. The sea was very angry. It said, "Sir, beta, don't say this. I did not do intentionally actually for this. Actually, I was not trying to make you unhappy. Actually, I did it for your favor. In your favor, I saved you. Huh? You saved me. Yes, I saved you. Because when my wave went very high, I saw a hunter coming to hunt you. That's why I removed your footprint, because hunter was following you, seeing your footprint. All right, I saved you and you're abusing me. Sometimes this happens actually. We don't understand the psychology of other people. All right, and we portray them that they are wrong. और हम उसको पोर्ट्रे कर देते हैं, दे आर रॉन्ग, दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, दे आर आवर एनिमीज, बट एक्चुअली दे आर डूइंग सम फेवर। नजर से जो देखते हैं कई बार वो सच नहीं भी होता है। ऑलराइट, सो डू नॉट बिलीव।
We don't understand.
Yes.
If you will beat me, if you will beat me sometimes, if you slap me, I was thinking that कि क्या गलती थी?
हाँ, क्योंकि आप नहीं देख रहे हो हम जिस वजह से आपके साथ वो किए। Sometimes we need to understand actually, right? यही तो दिक्कत, हम नजर से देखने की कोशिश करते हैं,
Sometimes I
right?
did mistake. That's why I don't know I did mistake, but you know I did mistake, and you think कि अगली बार कैसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Give the benefit of doubts.
But sometimes we
नहीं.
but sometimes we should give the reason.
Yeah, reason, it will be time actually. Sometimes reason is so dirty, people don't give the reason and they want कि समझ जाओ तुम किसी तरीके से. वो भी communication gap actually. There is a communication gap. Right?
Situation is different. So we are human being and we don't have anything like a. We are human being. We have different emotions.
Right, Sania.
And sir, one question.
Yes.
I want to know the environment of your home. Sometimes when I in the home, I was thinking that जब हमारे क्लास का एनवायरनमेंट इतना अच्छा है, सो हमारे घर का एनवायरनमेंट क्या होना चाहिए?
घर का एनवायरनमेंट कभी भी क्लास के एनवायरनमेंट की तरह नहीं होता है. दैट्स द
No, no.
प्रॉब्लम
When we
एक्चुअली.
have good communication skills, when we have
तो
good mindset,
दिस इज नॉट वन साइडेड. बोथ साइडेड होनी चाहिए ना. राइट नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग वेल विद मी बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग वेल विद यू.
yeah.
Because you're not my relative, right? And you want to show your right faces. But when you sit with your relatives, they are your relatives, they are your elders. They won't understand this thing.
So, what is the relation of your with your daughter and son?
With my son, the relation is slightly tense. Actually, he is like he doesn't understand sometimes. Okay, but daughters are better than sons. Actually, in this case, right?
Every
It happens actually because this is actually normal clash actually in every family. That is not reality actually. ये समझ लो कि परिवार में जो क्लेश होता है वो क्लेश नहीं है actually. That is like when you know होता है, it happens. But this is the real picture. क्योंकि इस environment को घर में create नहीं कर सकते. You cannot do podcast with your wife. हाँ, otherwise you will fight on the podcast. It's reality. Understand? Because वो आपका इज्जत वाला बात नहीं. You respect me actually. You don't understand me. You don't understand me as your friend. Okay, you understand me that you're my teacher. You respect me. If I tell something wrong, also you will
No, it's
respect.
not about teachers, sir. Sir, I also think that sometimes our family should be a good. Our family should understand us.
But you cannot send your family member to the schools and colleges to understand that actually.
No, no, we can't say, but we have good mindset, and we should understand. If you are not educated, it doesn't matter. If you are not happy,
No, no, no. It's not about education. It's about
no, no,
mindset
it's about
actually.
mindset. I want to say it's not about education. It's not about.
कि बहुत सारे नॉलेजेबल लोग ऐसे हैं जिसके पास माइंडसेट ही ठीक नहीं रहते, तो वो हमें उससे बात ही नहीं करवाना
I
चाहिए.
see. I saw
हाँ,
that
अच्छा.
person. But when you have good communication skills, when you have patience, you can talk easily with your children. I can see and I can do, because I want think that when I go in house with I want to talk very politely with my siblings. I want to try. That day when I was using mobile phone, and I said that कि मुझे घर जाना है, that time, sir, I'll take you very seriously, and now I can't सर एग्री करते हैं हर चीज को, मतलब एक भी चीज को हम ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम छोड़ दें. आप जो बोलते हैं बस लगता है कि अब कर देना. आप बोले कि हाँ मतलब बात करना तो बात करो, आप बोले कि पढ़ो तो पढ़ो, मतलब इस टाइप का हो गया. तो आई कांट डिसएग्री विथ योर पॉइंट. दैट डे यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट के घर जाओ और बात करो फैमिली से, ये करो वो करो. आई कांट सर, and I don't want to listen. I want to disconnect myself, but I can't, because you are very important. I don't take it for granted. Um, I don't take you for granted. That's why I wanna go home. मतलब घर जाना ज़्यादा बेहतर था सुनने से, because अगर सुन ले तो फिर से ट्राई करने जाता, फिर सब कुछ बिगड़ जाता.
Okay, sometimes people give you suggestion as per their understanding. Okay,
And
they
I was text you, but I was thinking that maturity नहीं दिखानी है, जो हो गया सर, गलत समझ रहे हैं तो.
okay, all right. So just understand one thing. Sometimes people give you suggestion because they don't understand. Okay, they are not in your condition actually. They are not able to. They are not in your shoes actually. What you face, what I face, you don't know. Right, and we don't show off it actually. We hide it. All right. एंड जितना आप बताते हो उसी को सोच करके लोग उस पर सजेशन देता है, बिकॉज यू हाइड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. कोई भी इंसान पूरी तरीके से अपनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं बताता, ठीक है, दूसरों को, चाहे वो कितना भी उस पर ट्रस्ट करता है, राइट. तो उस केस में क्या होता है कि वो जितना बताओ उसी हिसाब से वो सजेस्ट करेगा, राइट. तो आपको लगेगा ये तो गलत सजेशन दे रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली वो
गलत
ही
solution is not that, so every time everything is not same. So गलत तो नहीं था.
ओके, ऑल राइट. सो आई थिंक टाइम, आज के समय में लोगों के पास वक्त ही नहीं है. दे वॉच रील्स, ओके, दे वॉच शॉर्ट्स, ओके, एंड they don't value this type of talks actually. They just want entertainment, okay, enjoyment, fun everywhere. This is very sad for this generation actually. Life is not always full with fun actually. Sometimes it becomes very, very tough, okay. All right, in that case you need to watch such type of meaningful videos, okay, and podcast, okay. It was what do you want to say to our viewers? Anything you want to say on
I
it?
want to say that if you think this is important, you should see this thing. And if you don't think this is not important, I can't do anything. I can't make you understand. If you
Okay.
think you are this video is very important and this type of video is important, this type of thing is important. So help them and please be with them.
All
Don't
right.
don't go against with.
राइट, आप लोगों की इसी वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि इन द मार्केट जो कि रॉन्ग वीडियोस आर बिकमिंग वायरल एक्चुअली। अब बताइए उस वीडियो में कौन सी बड़ी बात थी कि 10 रुपये का बिस्किट कितने का है, और आपने उस वीडियो को इतना व्यूज़ दिया, इतना सब्सक्राइबर्स दिया, और वो आज एक सेलिब्रिटी हो गए हैं। तो दुनिया में ये जो नाच गाना और ये वायरल चीज़ें हो रही हैं, somehow this is destroying the world actually, right? So you need medicine, we need medicine, okay, of positivity actually. Fun is fine, but not for every time. Thank you for watching this beautiful video. You have given your precious time, but give 1 second more to like, share, and if you are new on my channel, subscribe it right now. It boosts my energy, our team's energy to work better. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.